The next day, Stella Luna went to visit the birds. Come with me and meet my bat family, said Stella Luna. Okay, let's go, agreed Pip. They hang by their feet and they fly at night and they eat the best food in the world, Stella Luna explained to the birds on the way. As the birds flew among the bats, Flap said, I feel upside down here. So the birds hung by their feet. Wait until dark, Stella Luna said excitedly. We will fly at night. When night came, Stella Luna flew away. Pip, Flitter, and Flap leapt from the tree to follow her. I can't see a thing, yelled Pip. Neither can I, howled Flitter. I shrieked Flap. They're going to crash, gasped Stella Luna. I must rescue them. Stella Luna swooped about, grabbing her friends in the air. She lifted them to a tree, and the birds grasped at a branch. Stella Luna hung from the limb above them. We're safe, said Stella Luna. Then she sighed. I wish you could see in the dark, too. We wish you could land on your feet, Flitter replied. Pip and Flap nodded. They perched in the silence for a long time. How can we be so different and feel so much alike, mused Flitter. And how can we feel so different and be so much alike, wondered Pip. I think this is quite a mystery, Flap chirped. I agree, said Stella Luna. But we're friends, and that's a fact. Bat notes. Of the nearly 4,000 species of mammals on Earth, almost one quarter are bats, the only mammals capable of powered flight. The scientific name for bats is Chiroptera, handwing, because the skeleton that supports the wing is composed of the animal's elongated finger bones. The majority of bats are classified as Microchiroptera, small hand wing. Nearly 800 varieties fill special niches in every climate around the world except the polar zones. The lifestyle and food preferences of Microchiroptera, as you can see, I'm having a hard time reading that, vary widely. Many eat insects while others catch fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Finally, there is the famous vampire, of which there are only 3 species, ranging from Mexico to Argentina. The vampire's victims are mostly domestic cattle and native mammals and birds. The other 170 or so species of bats are the fruit bats, otherwise known as Megachiroptera, or large handwing. As their name implies, these are the largest Some some types boasting wingspans of 6 feet. Fruit bats generally have long muzzles, large eyes, pointy ears, and furry bodies, which is why they are often called flying foxes. Unlike the mic- Microchiroptera, who travel by echolocation, fruit bats depend on their keen vision and sense of smell to navigate. They live in tropical and subtropical climates that provide year-round supplies of their favorite fruits, flowers, and nectar. Some fruit bats, as they forage for nectar, are responsible for pollination of many types of night-blooming trees and plants. Others eat whole fruits, seeds, and all. Uh, Others eat whole fruits, seeds, and all, and distribute the seeds over the forest in their droppings. Regeneration of tropical forests depend greatly on bats.